Step 1, open the Facebook app and go to your profile icon or menu icon on the top right corner. From here, find the page section. This is the page section. If you don't see the page section, what you can do is tap on the see more and you will see this page section. Go to the page, select the page that you want to create a QR code of. From here, tap on this screen and tap on this three dot on the middle of the right side. Tap on this and share profile. On the share to option, you will see the scan QR code option. If you don't see the scan QR code option like me, go to this website and paste your Facebook page link that we just copied and tap on this generate QR code. So your Facebook page QR code is generated. So download. Now open the file. So this is your Facebook page QR code. To try it out, go to your scanner and select your QR code where that we just created. So go to website. So this is how you find Facebook page QR code or generate Facebook page QR code.